Yo, what's good? I'm not a mechanic.
This is my 2006 CTS, and it has some front end damage. Let's get into here. So, crank it up.
Phone unavailable.
So we still got a check engine light, and it needs a oil change. Check engine light, I know what that is. It is the O2 sensor downstream on both sides. This motherfucker. Alright, so we got 8 of these on top. There's one here, one here, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, one there, and 8 on the bottom, I believe, and then that should come on. Oh yeah, and then these bad motherfuckers right here. So unbolt it. This side's already gone, so we only have to do one side. Not too bad. Anyways, let's get to it. this right here, it hit so hard it hit that and bounced like it. Guess we'll start with the next step. Taking off these broken headlight and this other one and replace them with these. Here's your bad boys. Nice and clean. If you know anything about these, leave it in the comments below. LED headlights. I don't know much about them, but with the right side, so it matters. Just enough to get that bad son of a bitch out of there. If you don't have straight, I don't even know what to call it, 'cause I'm not a mechanic. A straight bulb like that, whereas I have an angled one like that, it can be a little bit more difficult. Luckily, I've been taking shit apart since I was a kid. These 3 screws, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, so if there's any quality change, I had to switch over to my iPhone. GoPro died. So this piece here, it goes down there. Like this. Let's see, you can't rotate it because, yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it in already. Just like, put it in already like this. It's already in place. And then just remount it in there. It's going to be a little difficult, so you probably won't get it on film, but yeah. We'll be back in a second. So, CTS owners, if you're ever trying to change the fucking high beam and it's not coming out, it's because this kind of bulb does not twist out very easily out of this. So it's easier to take those 3 screws out right there. Okay, so in order to get this light back in here where it goes, I'm gonna have to move this fender out, dude. Alright. So I think I can fix the fender pretty easy. It's that. This right here is the actual sheet metal of the car. It needs to be bent up and out. That way when I straighten this, it's not perfectly straight, obviously, but yeah. So I'm probably just gonna end up having to buy a new fender because I mean, I got it straightened out a lot better than it was, as you can see. That one right there, man. It's like right in the line of the car. It's so hard to work with, and I ended up putting another small dent. So, oh yeah, it's definitely has to come off because I didn't even notice this. Probably Bondo that or something. I don't, fuck that. I'll just get another one. Same thing up on the hood. On the hood, it's not so bad. This part right here is, I need to get this down more before I go to work the other headlight in, so. Alright, so I'm about finished up. I noticed whenever it got in the accident, whenever it hit this side, like made the impact and the force kind of buckled this side down. And if you can see this right here, you can see where it happened. It kind of like the force pushed into it. And I'll sink back off.